Good morning, weirdos. What's going on, guys? All right, nice little morning update for XCN, Jasmy, Swift, and so on. We're gonna get in a little update, head over to church, come home, and we'll do a afternoon live stream, guys. Should be a nice little start to the day. Some things looking good, some things looking like good DCAing opportunities. Jasmy down 3% on the morning, down 1.2% on the week, down 35% on the month, but up 250% on the year. We are 76 in rank, even a $1.07 billion market cap and 33 million in volume, guys. Still have no volume. Not expecting that to change as it is Sunday, so we'll have to see what happens. What else we got? Onyx coin up 7.1% on the morning, down 10.7 on the week, up 182 on the month, and up 1,219 on the year. Up 5 spots in rank to 98. $748 million market cap, 158 million in volume. Seems to be a lot more volume over in XCN right now. Swift coin, here we go, up 12.1% on the day, 13.7% down on the week, 173% up on the month, and 725% up on the year. We're up 16 spots in rank to 229, $217 million market cap, and 23 million in volume. Volume's not that high, but I think yesterday it was at like 10 million, so it's more than doubled. It's more than doubled overnight. So far this morning. Let's go have a look at some chart action, shall we? We'll bring up Jasmy first. All right, so that's the 4 hour. We're just kind of ping-ponging, straddling this line here, guys. The support level. Going over to the daily. Yeah, just the same thing as Bitcoin. Same thing we discussed, guys. The RSI looks it's neutral, creeping into oversold. So that's good. But the structure here, just copying Bitcoin right now. Right, you had your dump, and then you had your sideways action for like almost 2 weeks straight now, guys. Something big's coming here, man. Something big is coming. If we extend this out, right? Yeah, something big's coming. I'm excited about it, guys. I'm excited. Have your Jasmy bags packed. That's all I can say. Let's go over to XCN, see what's going on over there. Same thing, guys. Look at this sideways action. Just using this level right here at 2 cents 3.6 as resistance. 2 cents 3.7. We used it as support for 2 days in a row, and then for the last 6 days, it's been resistance. Now we've broken above it and tested the top trend line of this bull flag, but we have not been able to close a daily candle outside of here. What we need to see is a clean break, a daily candle close, a retest to the top of the trend line, and then we can go. That's what we're waiting for. But there's no volume. That's the thing. There's no volume right now. Swift coin's got some volume. Let's go have a look at what Swift's doing. So it got as high as 2 cents 3 earlier this morning, sitting at that 2 cent 1.1 level. I think that we're going to continue to try to move up today, guys. So don't be surprised if we close a little bit higher than we are right now, right? Maybe closer to that 3 cent level, would be realistic. But yeah, we'll see what happens. We're going to monitor the weekly close later today, guys, and see what we can see there. Going over the weekly, yeah, maybe we can flip this. Maybe we can flip this weekly candle green before this evening. We've got all day to flip it green. So I think we'll climb up. I do think we'll do that. Oh yeah, we just got to get above 2 cents 1.6 to flip this weekly candle green. So shouldn't be an issue. We'll see what happens. But yeah, we'll monitor the weekly close later today, guys. We'll be live streaming shortly thereafter. So. Okay, Bitcoin. Obviously, we have to check in on Bitcoin, right? Let's have a looky-loo. Let's have a little looky-loo here. All right, so Bitcoin. Well, we were respecting the 100-day SMA, but we've kind of fallen below that. We're at 96,900 right now. But again, it doesn't matter where we wick to. What matters is where we close these daily candles. Can the bulls push Bitcoin upwards today and close this weekly higher? Let's go to the weekly time frame. Well, we would, no matter what, right now we're closing this weekly candle in the green right now. Believe it or not, this is a green weekly candle right now. So can we close it green? I would like to see the bulls try to push us a little bit higher on the weekly time frame. It's a little crazy. The RSI is at 61.62. It's still in the neutral, but you'd think it would be a little lower than that. All things considered, we've just been going sideways, right? But either way, guys, it's just an example of the tug of war that we've seen between the bulls and the bears, right? But yeah, a little bit of a push higher later this evening would be very, very bullish. But we'll monitor it, right? We'll monitor it, guys. All right, quick little Onyx coin update here. What do we got? So they tweeted out, who wants the DAO to host an AMA on the official XCN Telegram group? Let us know. This would be hosted late March after the Goliath update. So here's the thing, guys. And information's coming out on Goliath, which I'll touch on in a moment. They did an AMA on the Telegram before, right? Now, a lot of you guys are new to XCN. We've been in it since last March, right? So they did do an AMA on the Telegram before. And I have to say, as much as I support this project, as much as I like it, this is some lazy stuff that they're doing here with these AMAs on Telegram. It's awful. It's awful. All they do is they select a couple of questions, that commonly asked questions, and then they just type into the Telegram the answers. That's all it is, right? It's not. I wouldn't even call it an AMA. You could probably just go over there and ask questions right now and get the answers over on their Telegram. And why are they doing it on Telegram in type form? Why is nobody, like, at the very least, if they don't want to be doxxed, if they don't want to be seen on camera, there's nothing wrong with that. But why don't you host spaces on X or something like that where we can at least hear your voice and get a real conversation going? Why is it type form on Telegram of all things, right? To me, this shows. And listen, I'm not fighting the project. I love the project, but this is a very poor decision by the team, by the the people behind this. This is awful. What are you doing? People are typing you some questions and you're typing answers back. That's not an AMA, right? It's not. I'm sorry. It's lazy. It's cringe, right? And trying to make it an event is even more cringe, right? At the very least, host a spaces on X or something like that, or a voice call on Telegram or something like that, right? So now again, guys, I'm not fighting the project. I love the project. I hold a whole crap ton of it. We've been holding it since March of last year. We were the first big channel talking about it. Okay. We even had one of the ambassadors on the channel on a regular basis, Wes, right? So, but in saying that, guys, this is a poor decision by them, in my opinion. This is the wrong direction you want to go in. This is not an AMA, in my opinion. It's lazy, right? It's just lazy. So, and then people get on top of Hara. The man did more AMAs. He did over 25 AMAs in 2024 on camera and voice, right? Where you could see him, you could hear him and everything. And you could actually have questions asked by somebody and stuff like that, right? That's a true AMA. And people were on him about being transparent. This is not transparent. This is hiding to me. I'm not saying the team's hiding something. I just don't like this. It's cringe. I don't like it, right? It's not an AMA in my opinion. It's just lazily asking some questions in Telegram. So it just doesn't sit right with me. I love the project. I'm not selling or anything, but this is cringe. Going over to here, so we've got the Goliath mainnet 3.3, so March 3rd, 2025. More info coming, as we know, just keeping you guys on top of that. We broke down kind of what this means. Their main net goes live is basically what it means, guys. Very, very bullish. Very bullish. If you don't know, believe me, my friends, it's going to be amazing. Now, listen, here's the thing, though. Caveat, Goliath is coming. That doesn't mean the price is going to skyrocket because Goliath is coming. So to the people who are saying that right now, I haven't even heard anybody say that, but I know that there's people out there going, this is going to pump the price. No, it's not. No, it's not. Okay? Don't sit there thinking that this is going to moonshot the price of XCN because their main net's going live. No, it's not. Okay? Not while the market's still going sideways like this, not while Bitcoin is down like this, while there's uncertainty in the market. It's just, I'm saying that because I know that people are out there right now building up their own expectations about some massive moonshot pump. And then when it doesn't happen, they're going to get mad at the project, right? They're going to blame the project. You're putting your expectations out there. You're building them up. Nobody's telling you that it's going to moonshot with the release of Goliath, okay? It's not going to moonshot the price. It is very, very good news for the further continuation of price action in the future. That doesn't mean on the 3rd of March, the price is going to moonshot, okay? I'm a little salty this morning, I think. Yeah. Sorry, guys. So here from NeoSun, NeoXtrix, make sure you give him a follow over on X, friend of the channel. He says, Jansen's CTO, Dr. Hollerit, once said, the next big step for Jansen is to connect with PlayStation. Check out this video he put together for us, guys.
To delve further into the gaming sector, the combination of Jansen's infrastructure and Jasmy's technologies is set to revolutionize cloud gaming in numerous ways. The founders of Jasmy, who oversaw the creation of PlayStation, have an in-depth understanding of gaming systems. By utilizing its powerful GPU infrastructure, Jansen will provide the necessary computing power for real-time rendering of complex graphics and sophisticated game mechanics in the cloud. This will reduce latency and ensure smooth gaming experiences, even for the most demanding AAA titles, which will be highly beneficial for projects like Deep Link. The advanced AI integration, facilitated by Jansen's infrastructure, will bring smarter gaming systems, including adaptive AI opponents, real-time game balancing, and personalized experiences based on player behavior. With the increase in personal data handled in cloud gaming environments, Jasmy's technology will ensure robust data security and privacy. This is crucial for gaining user trust and complying with global data protection regulations. The combination of Jansen and Jasmy technologies will enable scalable cloud gaming solutions that can handle a large number of simultaneous users without performance degradation. Jansen's infrastructure will support cross-platform gaming, allowing players to switch seamlessly from one device to another, paving the way for a more interconnected gaming ecosystem. Major gaming companies like PlayStation are already exploring cloud gaming solutions, indicating a significant industry shift toward this technology. As cloud gaming continues to grow, integrating Jansen and Jasmy technologies will provide a competitive edge by enhancing performance, security, and user experience. This will attract more developers to build on these platforms, expanding the cloud gaming market. In conclusion, Jansen's infrastructure and Jasmy's technology are paving the way for a promising future in game development, leading to unprecedented experiences.
Guys, listen, the ability of Jansen to provide such amazing, affordable, cheap, reliable GPU processing power is also going to bring this potential partnership between Sony and Jansen next level issues, guys. Next level. Let me know what you guys think. As always, guys, have yourselves a fantastic morning. And listen, we had a phenomenal chat last night over on the Patreon, guys. We were helping people learn how to connect and get their Tangent wallets, how to swap over there and stuff, because there's a real problem with centralized exchanges. If you're new to crypto, you need to understand this. When things start going parabolic, guys, all of the largest exchanges out there, they freeze your accounts. They stop you from trading. They stop you from buying, selling, and trading, which means when your altcoins are pumping to the moon and you're ready to sell, guess what? They say, oh, we're freezing your account. You can't trade right now, so you can't take profits. You can't switch to a stable coin. And no, for the people in the back, that means you can't convert or swap either, okay? You will not be able to do anything. They do that and they claim volume issues. They can't handle the volume, right? So they stop you from trading, which prevents you from taking profits. Every single exchange did it in the last bull run. Coinbase, Binance, Kraken, everyone, okay? No one was an exception. They're going to do it again. And one of the ways around that, guys, we help you figure this stuff out, okay? So do not be a victim of that, guys. And you may be sitting there right now going, yeah, okay, sure, Rob, whatever. Okay, fine. But even if there's a 1% chance that I'm telling you the truth, is it worth risking your life-changing wealth and not being able to convert your coins into stable coins, your altcoins into stable coins and stuff like that, and taking your profits? Is it really worth that risk, right? To go from, let's say you just hit 7 figures, to go back all the way back down to low 6 figures, because they'll say, oh, you can access your account again in 5 days after your coins have pumped and everybody else has taken their profits in other ways, right? Is it worth it? Is it worth risking? Because you may or may not believe me. I'm telling you, I've been here for multiple cycles, and there's people in our community that'll tell you the same thing. It happens, guys. The exchanges will shut you down and say, volume issues, our servers can't handle it. Sorry, you can't take profits. Then you're screwed. Don't be that guy, guys. Don't risk it. We help you solve these problems over on the Patreon. We're live over there every single evening. We just did an amazing swing trade the other day too. 204% swing trade inside of an hour live over on the Patreon, guys. That's why you want to be a part of it. We've been picking gems like crazy, guys, and they've just been exploding. We've been rolling profits from one gem into another like crazy. While the market's going sideways, guys, and nobody's making any money really for the most part, we're flipping gems over on the Patreon, guys. We're making that money. So come over there, join our community, be a part of it. Over 1,700 people strong and growing every single day, guys. Live every single day. And on top of all of that, you can also book one-on-one coaching AMAs with me personally, okay? So get over there, check it out. We got great community leaders, massive community. The chat is buzzing all the time. We're making a lot of money on these gems right now, guys. So check it out. Link is down below. Click like if you like this video. Click subscribe if you really liked it. I'll see you guys in the next one.